What else did you do at the beach?
Anything.
Did you play in the water at the beach?
Okay.
At the beach. Who'd you meet at the beach? Did you play in the sand?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How was that?
Say fun. Fun. Can you do that? Fun. That's not nice. You should put them back.
Say yes, ma'am.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Oh, Dad.
Yeah, you need to put them back in the square.
Mine.
Put it back in there. When you find the hole, put them in there.
Put him like this, honey. Put him in there like this.
Uh-oh.
I think.
Uh-oh.
What are you doing?